surprise.
Alam niyo, nakakatuwa ang surprise ni Sam Milby sa akin. Sabi niya nung sa asa ko, nagre-rehearse kami, sabi niya, hey, I'll be your surprise at the concert.
Yeah, surprise.
Sinabi, surprise ako sa concert. Alam mo kung saan ka pa sa surprise? Yun sa You Got Me, You Are the One, nating pelikula.
Actually, that song that we just sang is from You Are the One.
Yes.
The song that the mom of Tito Boy does over and over again. Plays over and over again.
I-acknowledge natin kasi ito yung pelikula natin ang gumawa na nandito sa audience. Direk Cathy Garcia Molina!
Yes, Direk Cathy! Hi!
Laki na ng pinagbago ni Sam, no? Oh, ganun pa.
Love you, Direk. And Tony, syempre, I know, there's a lot of reactions like, hey, si Sam is not a part of Tony's concert. Of course, I have to be a part of this concert, man.
Bakit? Why do you have to be a part of this concert, Sam?
Tony, you know naman na ikaw naman ang first crush ko sa showbiz. Ikaw naman ang first love team ko sa showbiz. Malaking bahagi sa career ko. You've been such a big help. And
yes.
Thank you sa lahat.
And thank you very much once again. Let's give it up for Mr. Sam Milby. Thank you, Sam. Thank you for the beautiful friendship and the unexpected kiss from you. I was not expecting that. Makinulit mo natin dyan. Thank you. Once again, let's give it up for Mr. Sam Milby. Alam niyo, nakakaloka kasi itong si Bo, ang ganda ng intro ko. Sabi ko, kaibigan, matali,